We will now see demo of AWS Discovery Service to discover the on-prem servers selected for migration. For this demo, I have created API endpoints and hosted them on one server, and the database I have hosted on another server. For this demo purpose, I hosted these servers on AWS itself, but ideally they would be an on-prem, or if you want to try out, you can install it on two different laptops. It's always better to take two different machines than to host it all on one particular system itself. So as you see, the database server is over here, and this is a test database I have created with some data into it about the countries, and this is the application server which is having some endpoints hosted, some get and post that are being hosted over here, and it is hitting the database server over here. This is a localhost server running which is connecting to the database that we have already seen. So now to begin the migration, you have to go to the migration hub tools section and download the agent into our on-prem servers or the application servers that we intend to migrate. You have to run this command over there and input the required details, and once the agent starts running, it will start collecting the data and send it to our AWS account. In the servers section, it immediately starts appearing all the details about the servers, and you can visualize it using the visualize option over here. Now, since the recording has started long after the server creation, you see over here a lot of these pings. That's because the security groups have not been enabled. But so that the other communication will not appear in this diagram, only the communication between the servers will appear. But the gist is that this way you can visualize the servers that are present on the on-prem on which you have installed the discovery agent, and how they communicate. You can see it via this diagram. Then you can go to the data collector section, discovery agent, and from here you can either start or stop the data collection as desired. The last is the EC2 instance recommendations. So upon here you can export the EC2 instance recommendations by using the export recommendations, and whatever data has been collected, it will get downloaded in the form of an Excel. This is the Excel, and all of the servers that have been running over here and which have the agent running are listed down into this, and the recommendations for these servers start appearing into this column. So as you see, a lot of recommendations are um, collected and shown in this Excel. You have got the instance size over here. You have got the total size of the RAM over here. The vCPU count is over here. You have got the hourly rate. So that will help you come up with the TCO for this. These are the regions, etc., where it is considered for the cost calculation. So a lot of such details get collected and listed into this. Over here, we see the CPU usage, max CPU usage, etc., that we can expect. So these details get collected, and we can come up with an accurate estimate of our running cost of the instance. So this is how you assess your on-prem resources.